Let's eat onion rings with ketchup. Now, taste natin. Ayan. Then, with ketchup. Ayan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sarap. Magto-toast ako ng bread kasi walang yung yung toasted bread ba. Gagawin ko itong tawag dito, breadcrumbs. Nagpabili ako kay Fahad kaya lang wala daw available dito sa sa village namin na shop. So bread yung kanyang binili. So ito na lang yung aking substitute na breadcrumbs. So ko ito toast ko ito. May gagawin kasi ako nito. Gagawa ako ng onion rings. Pwede naman ito eh. Now we can do like this. You can use also mortar and pestle to make like this. It's like breadcrumbs. Better I will use mortar and pestle, then it's okay. Can be easy to broke. Now we can put this one here. Now we have to add also black pepper powder, pinch of black pepper powder. So, yan. I think this water is not enough, so we put more water. And I think this flour is still not enough, so I will add more. First, I have to mix this one. So, I add more 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now, we have to add more water here. Consistency must be, it's like pancake. Hindi masyado malapot. Medyo sticky siya. Now, need to add more little bit water. So I think this is already enough. So we have to set aside this one. So this is enough sticky. Ayan. Oh. Now we have to keep this one here. And also this breadcrumbs. So we have to slice now this onion. So this one I will use. Ayan, so Now we have to slice now. You see, ang lalaki oh. Ayan. Separate natin para ano. Oh. Now we have to make now like this, one by one. Ganyan. And then we have to put hair. Ayan. And then we have to put hair. Now next. Ayan. One onion lang ito, kaya lang ano ang dami oh. Hindi ko nilagay lahat yun. Yung maliliit, hindi ko na ilalagay yan. I will use this one for cooking. Yan, ikot natin lahat para ano, isahan lang ang paglagay doon. So it's time to fry now. Ayan, so nagpainit na ako ng oil dito sa ano chimney. Of course, dito ako sa chimney mag-fry to save gasol. Ayan. Walang kuryente, nag-load shedding na naman. Kaya makikita niyo ang medyo madilim. Ayan, mag-fry na tayo. Bismillah. Mainit na yung mantika. Sobrang init na yung mantika. Yan, 3 lang muna ilagay natin. O dagdagan natin isa. Yan. Ay, sunog na.